The question has been asked if we all see the same rainbow when one appears. Now the answer depends on what you think a rainbow actually is. If you think it is a two-dimensional thing like a cardboard cutout, then the answer would be no, we don't all see the same rainbow. However, the simple answer is yes, we do all see the same rainbow. Now we will investigate the complex answer and define the rainbow. As you can see in this clip, the observer sees a rainbow. The incidence of light from the sun behind him aligns the rainbow to his perspective. Now we pan around to observer 2, and as you can see, the rainbow revolves with the shift in perspective, as it also does to observer 3. So what we have is something that the sun is illuminating that changes its angle due to sun location and perspective. What we are really looking at is a half sphere sticking out of the ground which reflects and reflects light. This is what creates the colours of the rainbow, similar to a prism but spherical. A time-lapse will show you the rainbow merely revolves around this sphere as the sun moves. If you can view it from above, you get to see the full circle rainbow, created by this sphere. We walk, fly and drive through rainbows every day, we just don't see them. But they are always there. Every rainbow you have ever seen since you were a child is still there today in the exact same place. When cars drive alongside the field of one, the rainbow will appear to move. This is due to the vehicle moving and the light still illuminating the sphere, which will appear to move in front of you like this video clip shows. It is really the sun illuminating the field ahead of them. This stops when they exit the field, or the sun can no longer illuminate it due to clouds or other obstacles. So you can drive through a rainbow, you just don't understand that it's not a two-dimensional thing, but a three-dimensional sphere that resides there, permanently. This time-lapse by John Magnusson shows the rainbow revolving around the sphere as the sun goes about its travels. I recommend time-lapse if you wish to see nature working. This full circle rainbow was captured by Nugmeister with his drone in Wicklow, Ireland. Here he gets up close to it. All you need is some altitude to see the full circle.